What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are still on Stars of the Seas and we are in Phillipsburg, St. Maarten. We just got off the ship and we are heading to our excursion right now. So when you have a cruise excursion, they're gonna tell you what zone to go to. So today was a little different. Get off the ship at a certain time and go meet at your zone. We're zone 3. So we meet them there at 10:15 and they'll probably set us up, get us to our shuttle, and we'll be on our way. We're gonna go to Maho Beach to do the plane sighting. What'd you say, Pam? Jack Sparrow? Oh yeah, Jack Sparrow's over here. Check it out. Dude's doing pictures with Jack Sparrow, man. We're in this home island right now. We're in Tortuga. Nah, I don't know. Tortuga is more by St. Thomas, I think. Or Tortuga or whatever it was called. Tortola. That's Tortuga, I think. Oh, I'm getting wet. Are you getting wet?
Probably the slide.
Yeah, we're getting wet from some water. Oh, maybe it is the water slides. Who knows? Here's Phillipsburg, everybody. Man, don't you just want to live here? You just want to move here? It'd be rough. I think they actually have a legit big airport out here. So that's where we're gonna go see it, the big planes. So let's go. The Star, everyone. Star of the Seas. Here's the little port markets. Sharky's Bar. Might stop there later to get the local brew. Guys, just remember when you come here, make sure you wear a hat, sunglasses, and wear a sun shirt because it is hot. And the sun, it's really nice today too. The sun is blazing. Dang, I think we're going on a charter bus.
Oh, they did say motor coach, right?
It did? Yeah. Oh, I didn't know. I think that. Oh, we got to go a little distance because we have to go near the airport, right?
I think so.
Yeah, we're probably going to a different part of the island for sure. Oh, there it is. Aero Express. There's our ride. Yo, they just gave us waiver forms. Informing consent, plane spotting at Maho Beach, waiver release. So I guess if the plane comes down and takes us out, I guess they're not liable.
No.
It makes total sense to me. Dang, waiver forms?
Just to say that.
Cool.
Jet Blast.
What's it for, Jet Blast?
Well, number one is that if you get injured from the jet blast from arriving and departing aircrafts due to their close proximity to public areas, that they're not going to be held liable if you get injured. So, good luck.
So basically what they're saying is it's going to be wicked.
Apparently so. I mean, so much so that they need to
Jet
put something
Blast.
together.
Sounds dope.
Look at this. It is my intention by this instrument to give up my heirs, assigns, and personal representatives' right to sue all persons or entities referred to herein, whether specifically named or not, and it is also my intention to exempt and relieve Rendezvous Tour Corps, its employees, agents, and transportation, and hold harmless and indemnify these entities from any and all liable for personal injury, property damage, or wrongful death caused by negligence or gross negligence, and having been made aware of the inherent risks of this activity. Wow.
That's crazy. So technically, you sign that waiver form, nobody's suing anyone. It means it's going to be awesome. That's exactly what that form means. You know it's going to be worth it.
So then go inside with their pickaxes, shovels, and rakes to start picking the salt. As they pick the salt, they would load it up on some wooden flat boats, pull those boats ashore on the side banks, and wait for when the ship will come into port to send it out for exportation. Here on the roundabout, you can see the monument of the salt pickers. St. Maarten used to export over 60,000 bushels of salt per year to Europe and the neighboring Caribbean islands. The building to your right with the green roof top, that's our government building, and just opposite is our university and also our carnival village. Back over to your left-hand side under this white canopy, this is the center of the town, and the big building behind it with the white and green building, that's a courthouse. That's the center of the town where you can take a water taxi back to your cruise ship. Okay? So the streets are parallel from each other, you really can't get lost. Okay? If you're walking, just anybody ask anyone of those kinds.
See the ship from here, guys.
And then still was then final abolished on the side of the island
give it a second.
1862.
There it is.
The island then side
She's
is
a beauty.
economic. As booming of construction started with many hotels, timeshares, and private villas, the St. Martiners started to return back home, and this also allowed many guest workers from the neighboring Caribbean islands to come on down to St. Martin. At this present moment, St. Maarten have over 120 different nationalities that live here on our island. Population has grown to over 100,000 people. Our official languages, Dutch is first taught on the Dutch side, French is first taught on the French side, but English is our mother tongue, that's what we speak at home, and communicate with many of our guests. Island hopping to the neighboring islands. You have 6 islands surrounding us that you can island hop to when you come down here to St. Maarten. I'll show you.
You know they got it made here when they got an Ashley Furniture store. Johnny Walker. Apparently there was an accident at the airport yesterday. I guess the landing gear broke on one of the planes. So, on Sunday, one of the landing gear on one of the planes broke. So they're very limited to planes landing out there. They think it's back to normal today. We'll find out. So hopefully we get to see a plane, guys. I'm hoping so. If not,
So half of the beaches.
yeah, half of the beach is wiped out from Hurricane. Was Hurricane Irma, right? Aaron?
Like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, the hurricane that happened 2 weeks ago. They got like big tropical storm from it. We're on the Dutch side. The French side's behind us, everyone.
Largest lagoon. This is the largest lagoon in the Caribbean.
Wow.
In the winter time, we have lots of mega yachts that will be docked up all over there. In the winter time, lots of mega yachts.
It's awesome. How much plane, guys?
We're taking up the fixing the wing.
Oh man. Hope every wheel's alright.
And here we have KLM. It was
Sucks.
cancelled yesterday. That's my straight flight to Holland, to Europe when I go. To visit my daughter and my.
We made it to Maho Beach, everyone. Here's a bar right here. This local bar. Cruising up to the beach right now. Let's check it out. There's the airport right here to the right of us. There's one plane here so far. I don't know if we're gonna see any flights today, guys. I hope so. And here's the beach. Oh, thanks, man.
No. Welcome, Star Cruises, man.
It's the beach. Beautiful beach.
Hello. You want to get braids?
You don't want no braids? No. You should get your hair braided.
Oh, okay.
You think they'll do my hair?
Sure.
I'm bald, but I'm sure they could whip it up. They have these umbrellas down by the beach that's pretty nice and shaded, but you got to pay for them. I think it's $30.
$30 for 2.
Yeah, $30 for 2 people. I mean, if you're down here for like 3 hours, I could say it's worth it. It's better than sitting in the sun, staying in the sun all day. Go on the wall, babe. Or what's happening? Got a Jeep coming towards us. Everybody's confused. We're gonna move. Beach umbrellas we're talking about. I think it is $30. You got to pay to sit on them. I think we're gonna do it. We're gonna be here for a while, and it's really hot out. So I think we are gonna do it. Here's the umbrellas right here. It's the whole section we're in. See? I think it's worth it. If it's $30, why not? I mean, you're gonna pay $600 for a cabana on a ship, so this is the way to do it. Especially if you're gonna go swimming all the whole time. Good news, everyone. There is gonna be planes today. We just saw a small one, but there's supposed to be 3 big commercial planes that are gonna come in. I think American, Air Breeze, and KLM, I think. I think that's what they said, or United, who knows. But I did stop at the local bar that's right behind me over there. You see it right there to the side of me. Stopped in, got me the local brew. What is this, SXM? $4 beers. Beers are $4 here. Heck yeah, that's a great deal. The water is perfect. Everybody's out here having a good time. I recommend if you come out here, rent the umbrellas. It's $35. Totally worth it. You're in the shade. You're having a good time. You're not on the sun cooking. You don't want to be cooking. Look at this beach. Everybody's just out here hanging out, guys, having a good time. And by the way, they take card too here, and they have Wi-Fi at the bar. Guys, here's the plane. Here's one of them. It's a small one. He's coming. He's coming in. He's coming in. Oh, he's gonna go right over us. There he is. Woo! Yeah, little plane. Oh, that's awesome. We got him. Guys, here's the big one. Here's the big one. Planes flying by are no joke, man. Everybody's out here. Everybody's out here. I think KLM is about to take off, so we're about to see one take off. Everyone, the plane's taking off. KLM. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Look at this view, guys. We just got done with Maho Beach and they took us up to this viewing point. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. That's incredible. There's a giant flagpole thing over here. Look at these views, man. 100%, guys. You got to come to St. Maarten. You'll love it out here in Philipsburg. It's beautiful. As of right now, I'm going to head back to the ship. We're pretty much done with our excursion. I just wanted to show you that viewing point. Head back to the ship. I think me and my wife, we're going to jump in the pool real quick. And maybe grab a bite to eat. Then hang out for a little while. We're going to have 2 more sea days after that. So we're going to be busy still. And it's been busy on this 7-day cruise. But I'll see y'all back on the ship. Hey guys, when you get dropped off from the bus at the port, there's Sharky's. Then there's a St. Maarten Guava Berry Colada Rum Shop. I just stopped here and got a drink. Flipping amazing. Prices are really reasonable. $7 per drink. That's pretty good. Let's give it a taste. That's good. It's not like the guava fruit. It's the guava berry. This is real good.
Use card, you have to buy
Yeah.
at least 2.
If you're gonna use card, you have to at least buy 2 because it's a $10 minimum if you use credit card. So it's a $10 minimum. Also down, I think if I mentioned it already in the video, but Maho Beach at that bar, $4 beers. Yeah, I'm definitely me and the wife are definitely coming back here for vacation in the future.
All-inclusive resort by the beach too.
Yeah, then also by Maho Beach, there's an all-inclusive resort there. The prices are actually like really reasonable down here. They don't like upcharge for like tourist prices.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe it is upcharging to them, but not to like if you're a tourist, it's probably not an upcharge to you. Prices are amazing down here. We're definitely going to be returning to St. Maarten, Philipsburg for our vacation. Who knows? It could be a future video. Back on the ship, everyone. Heading to the Lime and Coconut right now. Gonna grab me a Tropical Crush. It's kind of like a Red Bull with pineapple juice. I actually have not been drinking at all on this trip. I only had like maybe 2 beers this whole trip. I didn't even bother getting a drinking package. I was like, I don't want to drink for a week straight on a cruise. You'll die. If this was like a 4-night cruise, maybe I would have got it. But it's just cheaper to actually buy your own drinks, to be honest. But right now, we're gonna check out the Lime and Coconut. All right, guys, here's the Lime and Coconut right here. Super nice bar, nice hot tub right by it. The pool is right over there. I'm gonna go head over there. But we're gonna check it out. Got the menu right here. We're gonna brew the 0 proof Tropical Crush. Yeah. And could also get some bottled water too, please. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna grab this right here, Tropical Crush. Perfect, thank you. He's gonna whip that right up. All right, he's right there, man. He's whipping that Tropical Crush right up, man. I can tell you right now, the service on these ships are amazing. These guys will do anything for you, pretty much. If you need any drink or help with anything, they're gonna help you. Awesome service. All right, he's shaking it right up. Yeah, he's even got the smile. Heck yeah. Oh. He's gonna show the moves off. No, he's going to the pour. Oh, heck yeah, man. Awesome. Anyway, he's gonna top it off with the Red Bull. Tropical Crush. It's a good drink, guys. If you don't like alcohol drinks, 0 proof drinks, that's the one right there. Sorry, guys, a little close. Those bartenders are the best. They're so cool. And whip your drinks up fast. 0 proof, baby. This thing is awesome. All right, I'm gonna hop in the pool right now, though. See you guys in a bit. Check it out, guys. It's Crown's Edge. I'm not gonna do it. I thought about it, but I don't know. I don't think it's worth the money, to be honest. It's just a little thing that swings around the corner over here. I don't know. It's alright, man. Here's the rock climbing wall right here. That definitely looks like a lot of fun. But alright, now I'm gonna get some food. Gonna hit a base camp. Grab something to eat. My wife's gonna go to El Loco Fresh. That's good too. So here's the menu at base camp: warm pretzels, tots, hot dog, chicken fingers, and you can get a smash burger. There's also a bar right there in the back. Right here, you come up here and order. Also, guys, here is the water park. This thing is awesome. I already did some of the slides. Incredible. I pretty much did them all. All, except the yellow one right here that drops straight down. But the one that has the drop right there, that orange one in the center with the clear tube, they closed that one off because apparently someone fell off on Utopia out of it, and yeah, I guess they don't want to relive that nightmare again. Guys, check this out. I got a hot dog and a smash burger. That thing looks bomb. There is so much food on this ship that's complimentary. It's nuts. You would have a hard time eating at every place. Because if you go down to like where the kids hang out, there's even more stuff down there too. It's incredible. Here's a local fresh over here. Everybody's getting their food. You can get tacos, burritos, bowls, chips. Pretty much anything you want. They got it. Then if you come up here, there's a salsa station right here. You can put your peppers, guac, chiles, cheese. Then over on the other side, you got the main pool. I'm back in the room. Just got me some Sorrento's pizza. We just got done watching The Price is Right. That was pretty cool. Total scam. Don't play that game if you're on this cruise ship. That game is rigged. I mean, if you want to play it and pay the money, go for it. But totally rigged. But hey, guys, I'm gonna be ending the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed St. Maarten in Phillipsburg. That place is pretty amazing. I would definitely gonna be coming back. Maybe not on a cruise ship, but probably on a plane and fly straight there. That place is pretty amazing. But hey, guys, like I said, I'm ending the video. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give my videos a thumbs up. And turn on that post notification so you guys don't miss out on my future content. I'm Novice Adventurer, and you guys will see me. I will see you guys in the next one.